Um, have you ever heard of Lease Jagati? It's a pretty fascinating concept that I stumbled upon recently. It's essentially it's a kind of procession where sacred objects and deities are brought out of temples to bless the public, and sounds intriguing, right? Visualize this: a parade of people carrying ornate items, chanting, and vibrant music playing. Imagine the vivid colors and the palpable energy in the air. Um, it, um, it's like a religious festival that you must witness at least once. And now you might be wondering, what's the purpose of this practice? Well, it's primarily about community blessings. Bringing the divine outside the confines of a temple is believed to shower blessings onto the community who couldn't use a little extra luck. Am I right? One of the common pain points is that it can be difficult to organize. Imagine coordinating a large-scale event with several moving parts, all needing to align. Uh, uh, it requires years of experience and wisdom to pull it all together successfully. People often experience anxiety about disruption during the Lease Jagati. Um, Traffic woes, noise, and crowds can be a genuine concern for neighborhoods. Uh, it's a balancing act between maintaining tradition and preserving everyday life. Step-by-step planning is the bread and butter here. First, obtaining the necessary permits. This involves dialogues with local authorities and religious leaders, and it's important to have all of the paperwork in order to ensure smooth execution. Next, organizing manpower is crucial. That volunteers usually step up for such events. It's a good idea to have clear roles and responsibilities to avoid any last-minute chaos. A team of dedicated individuals can make magic happen. And transporting sacred items safely and respectfully is another step. Many people go as far as creating special carriers or platforms. It's vital to maintain the reverence these objects deserve, which can be a delicate operation. When it comes to public participation, high engagement is key. Using social media wisely can aid this, and put, accomplishment from your spread the word and generate excitement leading up to the event. People love feeling they're part of something meaningful. Pro tip: schedule rehearsals if possible. Nothing beats a dry run to iron out potential problems. Have your team walk through the entire event from start to finish. This practice can be the difference between mayhem and magnificence. Adding value through numbers is easy here. The event can draw thousands, bringing significant attention and potential economic boosts to the area. Shops and local businesses often benefit immensely during such festivities. So what's the takeaway? Lease Jagati is a well-oiled tradition that benefits from meticulous preparation and community spirit. It's an intense but rewarding experience, and seeing it unfold can make anyone appreciate the artistry involved.